today we're taking a taxi to Tulum, Mexico, and it's like 45 minutes away. And we're probably gonna go to the beach because the beaches are like way nicer there. And yeah, so we're in Tulum.
There's the beach for you.
Can we get one of those?
Yeah, it's all included.
What do you mean it's included?
Oh, yeah.
We got our own cabana.
It's lit now. Did you put our stuff over there? No, we have it over there. Wherever you go.
Hey, hey! This is so fun!
But I know they'll never own me.
Oh yes, a rainhead joint. Y'all, I didn't even know. My hair. This is after beach hair. Got a few seaweeds. So we're staying in Tulum for like 2 days, and this is our place. It's so nice. And this is the best part. You can literally walk out, hey everyone, and you're literally at the pool. Like, excuse me? Step your game up, you know what I'm saying? Hey MJ. And then this is me and MJ's bathroom. Gorge, gorge. And look, everyone, we got that rainhead joint. Y'all ain't got nothing on that. Excuse my voice, I'm a little nasally. This is our room, already a mess within 5 minutes of being here. And 2 seconds ago, a random dog just flew by our window. And this is Daddy and Carmen's room. You know. Excuse me, I'm doing my own tour. Get out of my tour. Hey y'all, it's me. This is the sink, toilet, and shower. Would you like to go for a dip? No picky. Just walk on right out. Bougie little son of a gun. That's enough dropping it for one video. Dinner outfit. Show them the loafers.
Oh, wait.
Y'all gotta see
Bam.
the loafers. Pointy toes. Oh my god, I almost just fell. This is literally a jungle. This is insane. There's like huts. I'm sitting on this net. Like I could die, but it's fine. Smallest appetizer I've ever seen. Coconut shrimp with passion fruit puree. Oh god, we look greasy. We're using that foam lighting, you know? But we on this net. Why do I talk so ratchet? Shine it over there.
Hey y'all, me and MJ out here night swimming or whatever. You know what I'm saying?